Good afternoon, Oscar. This is Rodney, AM Industrial. This is the Torit DFT 416 we quoted you. The system is not in operation now. It's here at our floor in Cleveland where it will be reconditioned by our technicians. So the system does have bag in, bag out. That means it's these rings that protect the outside of the door. And during change out, you pull the door off, that screw on here. You wrap a garbage bag around the outside lip and pull the filters right into a garbage bag. This is the interior of the collector, quite a clean unit inside. The filters do sit on these yokes. It takes 2 filters per door. There's 8 doors, so it's a 16 cartridge. Standard size cartridge, a 13.8 inch in diameter by 26 inch deep filter for 254 square feet of media per filter. It does have 8 pulse valves, which you can see here. These will all be tested by our technicians. Swing around to the other side here, get the sun out of it. As well as the solenoids to ensure that all your pulse clean is fully operational and ready to go. This is what they call the clean air plenum. You can see a weld seam right where my finger is up to the top here. And you can mount the blower anywhere in the clean air plenum. Typically, you're going to see it up on the roof. That's the most typical application. And it will come with a 55-gallon drum kit that will sit here. A drum cover, be just like this one here. And they just fasten on. They do have good seals. And your drum just sits underneath and sucks tight. So this is it, a reconditioned Torit DFT 416 here on our floor in Cleveland. And we can have these ready to ship in about a week. And then they take about a week transport to San Diego.